kids. Hi. Are you ready for a fun question? What do you think? Can someone slow win a race? Let's listen to the story and find out. Once upon a time, there was a fast rabbit and a slow turtle eyes. The rabbit laughed and said, "You are so slow." The turtle smiled gently and said, "Let's have a race." The race began. The rabbit ran very fast and soon felt tired. "I can rest for a while," the rabbit said, and he fell asleep. The turtle walked slowly, step by step, without stopping. At the end of the race, guess what? The turtle won! Hoo-hoo! The rabbit felt sorry and learned a lesson. The turtle smiled and said, "Slow and steady wins the race." So kids, tell me, will you keep trying, even if you are slow? Bye-bye, kids! Hoi! See you in the next story!